your wig install is not given. The reason your wig install is not good is because you're putting too much glue at a time. It's better to apply the glue little by little. Then you can repeat the process about 3 or more times depending on how long you want the install to last. You don't have to put too much at a go. If not, it's not going to dry on time. So that's mistake number 1. Putting too much glue at a time is a mistake. You can blow dry with a hairdryer if you like, but if you have patience, you can wait for it to dry, to air dry. It's already getting clear, and if you want to add another layer of the glue, this is the perfect time to add it. Another mistake you might be making is putting your wig on your glue when the glue is still looking like this. It's not going to stick. It's not going to stick because it's not even close to being dried at all. So that is mistake number 2. Not letting your glue should not look like this when you put your wig on. If not, it's going to be messy. Mistake number 3, which frustrates a lot of people, is you're not putting enough glue close to your ear, like close to this place. There's no enough glue there, and the lace tends to lift there very easily, so you have to put enough glue close to these sides if you don't want to be frustrated. Wear my wig. Another mistake you might be making is taking off your melting band too soon. So I'm going to leave it here for a while, not for too long. Well, these are the mistakes I made when I was still in the early stages of learning how to install my wig. I thought I should share it with you so you would not make the same mistake. I'm still learning how to install wigs, but these are just the common mistakes. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment, and like this content. See you next time. Bye. So this is the end of this video. I'm sure if you follow these steps, you're going to have a very clean install. Though my wig needs to be ventilated, so excuse that. But if you follow these steps, trust me, your wig install is going to be so easy and so nice. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.